Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to go look through the new Packout M18 fuel vacuum. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be looking at the new M18 Packout 2.5 gallon wet dry vacuum, part number 0970-20. I got $35 off this item, as well as $35 off one of these cutoff tools, and $80 also off the entire order of $4.99 plus. So this was a total of $644, and I got it for $494, which is the M18 Packout vacuum, the M12 1.6 gallon vacuum, and these two cutoff tools. So let's get this box opened. See if I could bring the camera a little closer. Alright. So this is the Packout 2.5 gallon wet dry vacuum, 0970-20. Wet dry vacuum, flex hose, HEPA filter, crevice tool, utility nozzle, and vacuum power tool adapter is included in this box, which is nice because those adapters are hard to come by. So let's slide this guy back. Turn it over. And this is the same filter as the previous video I did, where I got 3 packages of 2 of those filters for like 80 bucks. So information on the back: up to 60% more suction. Looks like DeWalt is in here, as well as somebody else, which, you know, they always do that. Unmatched mobility, less downtime, up to 2 times quieter. Oh, the gray one is a full-size shop vac, a corded shop vac. It says 87 decimals. It's got brushless motor, red link plus, intelligence, and red lithium battery pack compatible. Includes HEPA filter, the vacuum, utility nozzle, flex hose, crevice tool, and the vacuum power tool adapter. Filter compatibility is 49-90-1900. It is certified HEPA filter and compliant with OSHA solutions. 5-year warranty. Here's the specifications on the back. So let's flip the box over. Make it easier for you guys to see. Bring the light in here. Alright. Move the camera up a little bit so you guys can get a better view. Alright, max airflow is 50 cubic feet a minute. Max sealed suction in H2O is 47 inches of H2O suction. Runtime with a high output XC 8.0 battery is high 30 minutes and low is 50 minutes. Wet capacity is 1.8 gallons. Dry capacity is 2.5 gallons. Length and width 17.1 inches in length and 10.5 inches in width. Height is 12.8 inches. Weight is 11.3 pounds, and inlet diameter is 1 1/4. So if you have the original suitcase style vacuum, takes the same 1 1/4 inch hose, as well as I believe the new M12 0960 also is a 1 1/4 inch hose. That's the information on the back. Let's flip this guy back over. Move the camera back, and let's get it out of the box for you guys. Alright. There you go. I'm gonna cut this little spot of tape. And this box isn't in great condition. It's got a couple dings on the side, but it's, you know, it's not horrible. It's not the worst box I've ever seen from Milwaukee. Your instruction manual, 0970-20. Okay. Box is empty. Since the box is empty, I'll give you guys a close-up real quick of the specs on the back of the box. If you guys want to pause, you guys can pause. I'm sure you can also zoom as well. Here's a look at closer at the items it comes with. So here is the Packout vac, which is very nice. I do like the new handle. There, see if we can get the camera moved back over here for you guys. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so here's the instructions. So here is crevice, the floor tool, crevice tool. Fits in very nice. And here is the threaded adapter, because this is actually threaded on the inside, for the tools. So the hose goes here. Hose is on the outside, which that's another thing I like about this vac, is the hose is permanently mounted on the outside. So you don't gotta open it when you need to use it. You only open it when you need to you only open it when you need to take the battery out. Sorry for the pause right there. So the switch and the button is on the side. Up is 2, down is 1, speed 1. The release button is on this side as well. Move the light back. It also does have a blower port if you wanted to use the blower. I see why it was sitting there. Okay, so this guy is actually sitting in the center where the power tool adapter. Yeah, the vacuum power tool adapter. This guy is sitting in the battery section. You can mount to the top of it. And this guy, I'm not gonna weigh. My scale isn't big enough. I will weigh it in the future when I get a bigger scale. Still got the same clips to take the vacuum off. And the filter is on. Filter is on it. Same filter as what comes on the other version. Looks like the exact same filter, which is the old suitcase style. And it does have a clip right here, which is interesting. Just a quick video on this guy. Let me grab a battery real quick and I will turn it on, and then we'll do some future videos with it. I'll do more in-depth video on the noise and everything else. It's plenty big. This is a 6 amp hour high output. It's plenty big for a 12 amp hour battery. This is the vacuum on low. And this is the vacuum on high. Just a quick demo for you guys. It is definitely quieter than the older suitcase style. And I'll show you guys the suitcase style real quick. I remember exactly what item number it is, but the suitcase style is this guy right here. I'm a big fan of vacuums. I have the suitcase style. I have the small canister vac. I have the backpack vac. And now the Packout vac, which that one I first showed you is this one replaces that one. And then also we're going to be doing an unboxing on this 1.6 gallon M12 model. And this one comes with an accessory that this one doesn't. This one comes with a mounting plate accessory, so you can mount it on the wall, where this one came with the power tool adapter. And I'll go in more depth on a separate video about the power tool adapter when I figure out why this section is threaded. Maybe it goes to specifically new tools coming out. I have no idea. But this side is definitely too small to fit over with a hose. So we'll go over this in a separate video. But I am a very big fan of the vacuums. I do like their vacuums. There's one other vacuum I will be picking up later. And that vacuum is the vacuum is the new powered brushed head compact vac, which is you can upright like a normal vacuum, like this on the ground. It's got a power head. I don't remember exactly what it's called at the moment, but you know, you guys will correct me. You guys will know what it is before I will. It came out during NPS pipeline, just like this, and this one did. But I can't remember what it's called. It's the Milwaukee M18. I think it's called the compact vac, if I remember correctly. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. It feels somewhere in the range of what it states, which I believe it said 11 pounds. 11.3 pounds. It feels about 11.3 pounds. To be honest with you, this M12 model feels way heavier than this one. I'm not sure why, but it does. I have a couple Packout items this will be useful on. I can stack some items on top of this. Some hole saw, stuff like that. Come in handy. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm surprised this vacuum didn't come with it didn't come with the entry. Usually you get an entry into the 10 tool combo. So that seems a little odd how you didn't get the entry with this guy, which most Milwaukee fuel tools do come with that entry. So I don't know if this was a return or not. If it is a return and I have any problems with it, I'll let you guys know that I returned it, took it back, and got an exchange. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Let me bring these up for you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Sorry, I tipped you guys over. Please go check out, like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Sorry if I repeated that. It's been a busy day. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description down below, I do have an Ulsa Tools link. That link will get you 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools if there's anything that they have that you may need. Go ahead and click on that link. It also kicks me back 10% off my next order at Ulsa Tools. So it does help me bring more tools to the channel when it comes to Ulsa Tools and stuff like that. One last thing, I will put a link down below for this for Acme Tools and Ohio Power Tools. More than likely, they're also probably going to be doing this. You know, you spend $4.99 plus, you get, you know, $150 off. They normally do. So I'll provide a link to those two if you guys are interested in checking out this vacuum or picking one up. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!